Hi, Alan Simpson here. In this lesson, I just want to talk about getting a list of file names out of a folder into some kind of document. Like maybe you need these file names in some code you're writing or some kind of document. You don't want to retype them all. Obviously, there's only 10 here, so it wouldn't be too big a deal. But if there's 50 or 100, you just want to get the list of the exact file names without retyping anything. I want to show you how you can do that. I'll be using Windows 10 here because that's where I'm sitting right now. It would pretty much be the same in Windows 8 and 7 as I recall, and it's not a terribly complicated procedure. You want to start by clicking this little folder at the left side of the address bar in the folder so you see the full path to the folder. See that? And then you want to copy that with Control-C or right-click and choose Copy. All right, now you want to go open your command prompt. If you don't have that handy, just click Start, usually in the lower left corner of the screen. Type CMD, then click Command Prompt on the Start menu, and that'll open your Command Prompt window. At the Command Prompt, type CD for Change Directory, press Space, and then right-click to paste in that path you copied before. If it doesn't just show up, go ahead and right-click and choose Paste or something, and then press Enter, and that'll open that directory, and you'll see that directory's path at the command prompt. Now, if you type dir, short for directory, and press Enter, you see a list of all the files in that folder. Now you need to type dir space /b space greater than, and then some file name. I'll use filenames.txt. The /b means bare, meaning just the file names, nothing else. And the greater than filenames.txt say send the output to a file named filenames.txt in this folder, not to the screen. So you don't see anything on the screen, but there will be a file in that folder. And now we can go check it out back in the normal Windows Explorer view. And there it is, mixed in with the files that were already there. And I just open it up and take a look. You can just double click it, or if you want to open it with a specific app, right click, choose Open With, and then that app. And here are the file names from that folder. And this is just a regular editable text file, so you can do anything you want with it now. In fact, if you need to use them in code, what you could do is go copy it out, put it out in Word, or just open it in Word. And then, paste it into Word. And then if you click this Show Paragraph Marks thing, those little backwards P things show you where there's a hard return. You can find that with $P in Word, and then replace it with like $P less than image space source equal quote. See, I'm going to use these, put some HTML. So see, now they all start with image source equal quote and then the file name. Then to finish each line, I'll replace that hard return, the $P with closing quotation mark, space, alt, equal, quote, quote, greater than, and then leave in the hard return, and that should finish out the tags. So now they look like, well, let me get that those hidden characters out of there. Now it's just regular code. I have one extra at the top. I just won't copy that. Okay, so now I can go out to my code editor. Oh, I don't have a page yet. So say I want to put it in a page, I put it here between the body tags, and there it is. Oh, wait a minute. I see I have an images subfolder, so that's not going to work. All right, I could go back out to Word and stick that in, but I can do it right here. That's easy to do right here in the editor. I can just, this is VS Code, so I'll select source equal, choose change all occurrences, and change that to source equal images slash. Okay, see how it does them all at once? That's a cool thing in VS Code. I mean, it's same as doing it with find and replace. I just did it in one fell swoop. Okay, so that code looks good. So I'll save it, look at it in the browser, and ta-da, there it is. Now you might say, well, heck, I could have typed them that fast, but yeah, I know. For one thing, I'm talking the whole time, so that slows it down. And for another, I only did 10 pictures. If you had 50 or 100 or 1,000, it's a different story. It would definitely be quicker this way. All right, see you around the net. Thanks for watching.